Hi everyone, this is my hydrangea I had in an earlier video, and now it's ready to be trimmed down, and I'm going to repot it and take it out to my garden, container garden. I'm going to cut it like right down in here, just before them good leaves right there. Of course, if there's dead leaves down further, I'll probably just take it down further, get it ready for it to come back in the spring. And I'll be back to show you what I did in my repotting process. Okay, I had to cut it all the way back, and it should grow back in the springtime. And I put it in a bigger pot here, so it'll grow back. Take her out in full sun, partial shade. And I'll also link a video below for my first video to show you how to care for it. Fill this all the way up and take her outside. Getting ready for spring and summer. See how she does. I'm going to take it outside, give it some good water, and some more dirt in here. Okay, I brought her out here, my hydrangea, and I'm going to give him some water. I put it in a little bit of full sun right now until the sun gets stronger. Let the roots get established in this one. We'll see how this one goes. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.